Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 9C. I got this one from my dad and I ordered the Midnight Gray 64 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. So let's see what's inside the box. I ordered this one from Shopee from Xiaomi's official store. I'm going to be putting the link down below in the description box, just if you want to check it. And the phone came 2 days ago. That's why the box has been opened. And here's the phone itself. This is the Redmi 9C. I'm so sorry for all the bubbles on the screen. The phone has 13 megapixel AI triple camera and 5 megapixel selfie camera. We're going to be doing a camera test later on, so please stay tuned until the end of this video. This phone has 6.53 HD plus dot drop display plus rear fingerprint sensor at the back. Another thing why I like this phone is that it has a huge battery capacity. It has 5000 milliamp of battery, which makes it the best for my dad who doesn't really play games at all, who doesn't really use social media. He only uses phones for texting and calling. So this phone will surely last for days for him. And here's my favorite part, peeling plastic from brand new phones. Alright, and here's the last part of the video. Here's the camera test of this phone. Enjoy! That's it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you guys think of the Redmi 9C. Bye!